In the vast expanse of the cosmos, our humble planet basks in the radiance of a cosmic giant, the Sun. With meticulous consideration and profound reflection, humanity has endeavored to harness this boundless source of energy, solar power. Through careful engineering and innovative technology, solar panels absorb photons emitted by the sun, converting them into electricity. This process, born of long-term thinking and thoughtful consideration for our planet's future, offers a glimpse of hope amidst the shadows of environmental degradation. As we contemplate our reliance on fossil fuels, harvesting solar power stands as a testament to our capacity for sustainable progress. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Title: Harnessing the Sun, a comprehensive guide to solar power harvesting. Introduction. In the quest for sustainable energy sources, solar power emerges as a beacon of hope, offering clean and renewable electricity, derived from the abundant light of the sun. This comprehensive guide delves into the intricate process of harnessing solar power, from the materials used to the innovative technologies driving the industry forward. Step 1. Understanding solar panels. Solar panels, also known as photovoltaic (PV) panels, are the backbone of solar power systems. These panels consist of solar cells made from semiconducting materials like silicon or perovskite. Silicon-based solar cells dominate the market due to their efficiency and reliability, while perovskite cells show promise for future advancements. Step 2. Materials used in solar panels. A. Silicon. Monocrystalline silicon. Known for its high efficiency and sleek appearance, monocrystalline silicon solar cells are made from a single crystal of silicon, resulting in uniformity and superior performance. Polycrystalline silicon. Polycrystalline silicon cells are composed of multiple silicon crystals, offering a cost-effective alternative to monocrystalline cells with slightly lower efficiency. Amorphous silicon. Flexible and lightweight, amorphous silicon cells are often used in thin-film solar panels, suitable for applications where weight and flexibility are paramount. B. Perovskite. Perovskite solar cells. Emerging as a promising alternative to silicon, perovskite solar cells exhibit high efficiency and low production costs. These cells are fabricated using perovskite materials with unique crystal structures, offering the potential for cheaper and more efficient solar panels. Step 3. Solar panel shapes and configurations. Solar panels come in various shapes and configurations to suit different applications and environments. A. Traditional rectangular panels. The most common type of solar panels, rectangular in shape, are ideal for rooftop installations and large-scale solar farms. B. BIPV, building integrated photovoltaics. These solar panels are designed to seamlessly integrate into building materials, such as roofs, facades, and windows, providing both energy generation and aesthetic appeal. C. Thin film solar panels. Thin film solar panels are lightweight and flexible, making them suitable for curved surfaces and portable applications. These panels are often used in solar backpacks, portable chargers, and flexible solar panels for camping. D. Concentrated solar power (CSP) systems. Unlike traditional solar panels that convert sunlight directly into electricity, CSP systems use mirrors or lenses to concentrate sunlight onto a small area, generating heat that is then used to produce electricity through steam turbines or other heat engines. Step 4. Installation and maintenance. Once the appropriate solar panels are selected, installation is the next crucial step. A. Site assessment. Conduct a thorough site assessment to determine the optimal location for solar panel installation, considering factors such as sun exposure, shading, and structural integrity. B. Mounting. Solar panels can be mounted on rooftops, ground-mounted racks, or integrated into building materials. Ensure proper alignment and orientation to maximize sunlight exposure. C. Wiring and connection. Connect the solar panels to an inverter, which converts the DC electricity generated by the panels into AC electricity, suitable for use in homes or businesses. Proper wiring and connection are essential for efficient energy transfer. D. Monitoring and maintenance. Regular monitoring and maintenance are necessary to ensure the optimal performance of solar panels. This includes cleaning the panels to remove dirt and debris, checking for any damage or malfunctions, and monitoring energy production to identify any issues. Conclusion. Harnessing solar power offers a sustainable solution to our energy needs, while mitigating the environmental impact of fossil fuel consumption. consumption. By understanding the materials used in solar panels, their shapes and configurations, and the installation and maintenance process, individuals and communities can embrace solar energy as a viable alternative for a brighter and more sustainable future. Your support is crucial in spreading awareness about renewable energy solutions like solar power. By liking, sharing, and commenting on this video, you not only contribute to its visibility, but also inspire others to explore sustainable alternatives. Additionally, subscribing to our YouTube channel ensures you stay updated on the latest content, empowering you with the knowledge to make informed decisions for a greener future. Let's work together to amplify the importance of renewable energy and create a community dedicated to environmental stewardship. Like, share, comment, and subscribe today to make a difference.